Throughout the life of your lift, there may be times it is inadvertently overloaded. Because of this, Flow's products are designed to address potentially unsafe situations. Flow includes a load sense and control system that monitors the weight being lifted and shuts the unit down if the capacity is exceeded by 10%. Flow designs the lifting components specific per application and includes generous service factors on the motor and gearbox and utilizes a minimum 10-to-1 safety factor for the lifting chains. The brake is an extremely important part of any lifting system. Flow uses a brake with a holding capacity of 150% of the gross load that is being lifted. The structural steel is equally important and is designed with a 3-to-1 stress over yield safety factor and comes with a lifetime structural warranty, the best in the business. When a flow is maintained properly, a little overloading should never be a problem. However, with any piece of equipment, there are inherent risks that exist if it's not properly maintained. With flexible lifting means, there is always the slight chance of the lifting means failing. The more common occurrence is brake slippage. Like any mechanical brake, the brake on a lift needs occasional adjustments, even a fail-safe brake. When a chain breaks, the safety cam engages. However, when the brake slips, the chain or cable keeps tension on the safety cam spring and does not engage. If a car's brakes aren't adjusted and maintained, your car will stop poorly, if at all. A lift is the same, and how a brake keeps you stopped at a stoplight, the brake on a lift also holds the lift at the upper level. If the brake is not maintained, the brake could slip and allow the carriage to descend under a heavy load. Our Fail Secure Dec Lock safety feature adds an additional level of safety. When the lift is in a raised position, they extend underneath the lift carriage and will stop the carriage in the event of catastrophic failure. Dec Locks provide an added level of safety while loading or unloading at any raised elevation, providing protection to workers and materials. With a standard capacity of 7,500 pounds per column, Dec Locks can be actuated several different ways: pneumatic or electric, cable actuated from the opening of the gate, or cable actuated by a hand lever. On certain applications, the carriage may be able to rest on Dec Locks during loading and unloading. Consult the factory for these applications.